Okay guys, this is Savas EasyBridge, just another reminder of how to access. So I'm starting at Northeast Portal. I'm going to click on Login from northeast.neisd.net. Okay. I'm going to click Login. I'm going to then I'm going to access the Launchpad. In Launchpad, I'm going to search for Easy. So I type Easy. And I'm in. That's all that it takes. You can click on the geometry book, or you can click on this Realize button over here. And this is Realize. Yours won't look like this, but that's all that you have to do, guys.